I am the head of the information technology department inside of Forrest T. So one of our big business is the life insurance, and we provide the services as a third part to a bunch of other MGAs, insurance brokers, that kind of service. Our current system is based more on the .NET and SQL Server. That is basically the big bulk of our systems that are currently on under a modernization process to be moving to a SaaS solution. The relationship with full scale start even before I get here. And from what I know from the history, Forrest T. Jones was looking for some type of offshore work and having some not so good experience with companies before. So when the full scale came as a new partner, the work model, the way that the full scale offered the resources, and especially the way that the rates happening for the resources that got allocated to Forrest T. Jones, it was a big shift from what Forrest T. Jones was doing before. So I would say that if I say the main challenges, it was probably the quality of the work to be delivered, the time frame, and the relationship with the vendor. The relationship with Full Scale turns very positive because of the communication established between Full Scale and Forrest T. Jones. Not only the management side present here on the same area, but also with the caliber of the resources offshore in Philippines that is being allocated to our projects, to our initiatives. I think that was a big change that makes for Forrest T. Jones a successful relationship with an offshore company. Quality was really one of the big issues that we got before we starting to use full scale. The impact that full scales has on our business, it's really helping us to expedite things, having the right resources to be delivering the right solutions. It doesn't matter if it is a new product that we are creating or if there's a new customer that we are boarding. And like I said, if it's going to be even day-to-day activities to fixing tickets inside of our existing systems. I recommended Full Scale as a partner. And I think the big things that full scale brings to the table is a good combination about the rates that you pay for the service, the way that full scale charge uh, the specific resources allocated to our projects, right? And of course, the type of skills that the specific resources can bring to the table. We found I would say almost probably more than 90% of the cases, every time that we need type of resources, Full Scale has been able to provide that resources based on the technology that we are working right now.